Prime Minister Narendra Modi today released the 12th installment amount of 16,000 crore rupees to farmers under the Pradhan Mantri Kisan Samman Nidhi through direct benefit transfer. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will kickstart the distribution of Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana Mukhyamantri Amrutam PMJAY MA Ayushman cards in Gujarat today. Union Ministry for Coal Prahlad Joshi has said that the government has taken a number of reforms in the last 8 years to make the coal sector more competitive. The polling for election of a new Congress president is underway. The voting began at 10 a.m. and will continue up to 4 p.m. Union Minister of State for Fisheries and Animal Husbandry Dr. L. Murugan has said that the ministry has taken several steps to improve fish production, export and infrastructure development in the last 8 years.